presentation title, Improving Food Crops Through Plant Breeding, Concepts, Techniques, and Applications. Welcome to this presentation, which will discuss how plant breeding can enhance the yield and quality of food crops. We will explore the basic concepts, the techniques used, and real-world applications in agriculture. Plant breeding is the science and art of developing superior new plant varieties by intentionally crossing plants with desirable traits to combine their genes, ultimately creating crops that are better suited to human needs, food security, and environmental challenges. Plant breeding is a crucial process in ensuring we have enough food for the growing global population. By combining the best traits of various plants, we can create varieties that are stronger and more productive. Now, let's focus on one of the most important food crops, wheat. To increase yield production to meet rising global food demand. To improve resistance to diseases, for better tolerance of drought and high temperatures. To improve grain quality. To reduce dependence on pesticides through naturally disease-resistant varieties. Wheat is a primary source of carbohydrates for many people worldwide. Wheat breeding is crucial to overcoming challenges like climate change and plant diseases. It's losing disease resistance as pathogens become stronger. Crop yields are declining due to climate change. It's difficult to adapt to new or poor soils. It's failing to meet modern grain quality standards. It's becoming less efficient in using water, and nutrients gives higher production costs. Unfortunately, commercial wheat is currently facing many problems. Plant breeding can help to overcome these problems and ensure we have high-quality wheat. Land preparation, seed selection, sowing, planting, irrigation, fertilization, weed and pest control, growth stages, nutrition, harvesting, threshing and cleaning, storage. Wheat cultivation is a complex process that involves many stages. Each stage is important to ensure a good harvest. Example, breeding wheat resistant to leaf rust. Method. Plant breeders use traditional breeding methods that involve crossing different wheat varieties to produce offspring with resistance to leaf rust disease. This process is followed by careful selection, where only seedlings showing the best resistance are carried forward to the next generation. In some cases, modern techniques such as marker-assisted selection are also used to speed up the process of selecting disease-resistant varieties. Improved trait. The result of this breeding is wheat that is more resistant to leaf rust, directly reducing yield losses. In addition, this resistance allows crops to grow healthier and more consistently, improving grain quality. With disease-resistant varieties, farmers can reduce the use of pesticides, lower production costs, and ensure a more stable supply of wheat for the market and consumers. Let's look at a real example of how plant breeding can improve the yield and quality of wheat. Efficient wheat cultivation requires the selection of suitable varieties, proper soil management, crop care, and disease control. These methods are important for improving grain yield and quality. In the future, sustainable and technology-driven wheat cultivation will play a key role in ensuring global food security, adapting to climate change, and effectively increasing agricultural productivity. In short, plant breeding is a powerful tool to improve the yield and quality of food crops. By continuously developing new, stronger, and more productive varieties, we can ensure food security for future generations. In addition to the example already mentioned, there are many other instances where plant breeding has had a positive impact on agriculture. For example, rice breeding has resulted in varieties that are more resistant to flooding and drought, which is very important for farmers in areas prone to natural disasters. Plant breeding also plays an important role in improving the nutritional value of food crops. By developing varieties that are rich in vitamins and minerals, we can help overcome the problem of malnutrition worldwide. The challenge in the future is how we can use modern technologies such as genetic engineering to accelerate the process of plant breeding and develop varieties that are more resistant to climate change and new diseases. It is also important to ensure that farmers have access to newly developed varieties. This can be done through training and outreach programs that help farmers understand how to plant and care for new varieties.